Hey, let me tell you something. You're gonna be the villain in their story, and that's okay. You will be the villain in their story, and the truth may never be told, and the lies may never be corrected, and that's okay, because you have to remember what you went through and realize that it didn't happen to you, it happened for you. And once you understand those two different words, where things happen to you versus for you, it happened for you, not to you. And sometimes you have to go through things to get to the thing. So every setbacks are really setting you up for a greater comeback. Nothing is happening to you, it's happening for you. And rejection is redirection. Never forget that. Keep winning.